Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. It's time to rock. Papa Roach, legendary wake up calling. Let's go into this tutorial, and you can see capo on fourth. That's the best scenario for us. We have only 5 chords to handle with that. Pretty much 4 basically. So yeah, let's go into it and learn the chords together. We're gonna start with C first. C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have D, that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. E minor next, and then go open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E, and then we have the G chord. That will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then to handle the bridge / instrumental part, we need to throw in a 5th one. And that will be to play the D sus4 / F sharp. Okay, so that is like this. You're gonna play this F sharp note in the 2nd fret E string, then open A, then open D, and then comes the D sus4 here, like 2nd G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And that's it. Okay, so let's learn the strumming pattern. If you play C, you hear a guitar play that in the background. It sounds like this. So it's first one down, a short pause, and then down, up, down. So that is one round. So a couple of rounds. So on. Alright, so let's start with the first verse. We have C2, D2, E minor 4. That's the first half. Then C2, D2, E minor 3, D1. Okay, so C, D, E minor, C, E minor, D. Alright, so there you have one round. You're going to play 2 rounds, and that is the first verse. Then over to the pre-chorus at 36 seconds in. I'm back here again. That's where on the lyrics. You're going to play C2, D2, E minor 2, D2. That's the first half. And the second half is to play C2, D2, E minor 2, and then a pause in the end to play pretty much the same, but you have this pause instead of playing the D in the second half. So that is what you're going to play for one round. And then comes the the chorus. And you're going to play C2, D2, E minor 2, and G2. You're going to play that for 4 rounds. Let's do one round together. It goes like this. And then round number 2, 3, 4, and you play that chorus. Okay, that's the first round. Then the second round, it's pretty much repetition. But in the verse, you're going to play only 1 round of that chord progression we just learned for the first verse. Only 1 round, so it's half as long. But then you're going to play the same for pre-chorus and even the same for the chorus. After that chorus comes this instrumental / bridge part at 2 minutes and 26 seconds in. So what you're going to play here now is to play E minor 2, then the D sus / F sharp 2, then G2 and C2. Then you go E minor 2, the D sharp 2, G2 and C2, and then final round, almost repetition there, E minor 2, D2, and then C3 plus a pause. Okay, so that is the difference there. So 2 rounds of E minor, D sharp, G, C, and then the third round is E minor, D sharp, and C only. That is the instrumental parts. After that comes the third chorus, okay, and that is also played in the same way, but you play 5 rounds there instead of 4. And then we play the outro after that chorus, which will be E minor 2, G2, C2, D2, and E minor 2. And that, my friends, that ends Papa Roach, Wake Up Calling. Great song, very simple and easy to play with capo on fourth. 5 simple chords, that's it. Hope to see you soon, guys. Till next time, play tune.